Welcome back, guys, and today we're gonna be trying Allegheny River water, cola flavored. Oh my god, I really hope it tastes like fish. I mean cola. Let's give it a try. I don't think it's a twist off. It's not a twist off. It's up. It looks like I lied, and it was a twist off. I just was too weak. Now let's put it in. Give some to my cameraman. Make sure he gets the flavor of that water. Whoop, whoop. Now let's give it a try. This is not